This morning I'm making Sneaky cereal ginger slice. Sneaky because of the breakfast cereal in the base. First step we're going to do, get the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius and line 20 centimetre tin, just a square tin with some baking paper. Measure out 100 grams. That goes into the pan. And we're going to add in as well 2 tablespoons of golden syrup and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I'll give that a stir around. We're going to pour this in. Look at that lovely colour. I've got 3/4 of a cup of coconut. Also 3/4 of a cup of flour, that goes in too. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. My cereal, I have a cup of crushed wheat bix and half a cup of semi-crushed cornflakes. Then also, final ingredient, 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. Ready to get into our tin. Got my lined tin here, and we're just going to pour it straight through and press down the base. And that's ready to pop into the oven and bake for 20 minutes. The base has come out of the oven. It's been baking for 20 minutes. Once that is fully cooled down, it's ready to ice, so we can get started making our icing topping. I've got some butter. Syrup that's measured out already. I'm going to give those a stir around on a low heat. I've got a cup of icing sugar and a teaspoon, one of my favourite ingredients, ginger. So we'll just give that a nice stir around. This topping is really taking shape. This is ready to go onto our base. Just smells buttery, gingery, lovely. We'll smooth this down. Once it's cooled, it's ready to slice and enjoy. Here is my finished Sneaky cereal ginger slice with Westgold butter. This is an absolute favourite in my house. A delicious hearty base with mouth-watering ginger topping, both packed with buttery deliciousness.